When it comes to affordable espresso grinders, the Fellow Opus is one of the most popular picks out there. But since it's an all-purpose grinder, it comes with a few limitations when you're dialing in for espresso. That doesn't mean you can't pull a great shot of espresso with this grinder. And today I'm going to show you how to dial it into perfection. Chances are you already have this grinder and you're here to fine-tune it, or you're thinking about buying one and wondering if it's the right choice for you. Either way, you're in the right spot. The Opus is a budget-friendly grinder, but it's packed with some awesome features. 41 plus grind settings, plus the hidden inner ring for micro adjustments. A magnetic dosing cup with a lid that fits perfectly onto your portafilter. Anti-static tech, which is rare at this price. Timed auto-off feature, a single dosing hopper with a lid, and of course, that the sleek, compact design Flow is known for. Now on the flip side, to keep it affordable, they've built the body mostly out of plastic, which feels a bit flimsy in my opinion. Also, while it has a small hopper, it's not truly designed as a single doser. You can give it a tap or use the lid as a blower, but fair warning, it might leave some scratches over time. Also, after a few uses, you might notice leftover grounds building up around the base, which can also cause some wear. But the question is, can this grinder actually give you a solid grind for espresso? Fellow recommends grinding between 1 to 2 for espresso, depending on your coffee's roast level and freshness. Personally, I found that setting 2 is a great starting point. So let's start by grinding 18 grams of coffee and aiming for a 1 to 2 brew ratio. Meaning we'll want around 36 to 40 grams out in about 25 to 30 seconds. If your shots runs too fast, you'll get that sour, weak espresso that nobody loves. In my case, it was a little too fast. So I adjusted the outer ring one notch finer and tried again. For many of you, that might hit the sweet spot. But if it goes too far, your espresso ends up tasting bitter and dry. That's when the inner ring really comes in handy. It lets you micro-adjust between the outer ring settings, giving you over 120 possible grind settings in total. This is really useful, especially as your burrs wear down over time. All you need to do is unplug the machine, go one step back on the outer ring, remove the hopper and press both sides of the inner ring, and make a tiny adjustment finer with the outer ring. Now you're sitting right in between settings. By repeating these steps and with a bit of patience, you'll be pulling silky, balanced espresso shots with the Opus every time. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. And let me know in the comments what's your favorite feature of the Flow Opus. Catch you in the next one.